Aioli, a sauce that's traditionally made with only garlic and olive oil, but modern versions are sort of like mayo, using egg yolks as the emulsifier, olive oil in place of neutral oil, and garlic as a flavor enhancer. This is the version we'll be making today. As we discussed in the introduction, egg yolks contain lecithin, which is an extremely powerful emulsifying agent, with each egg yolk being able to emulsify 1 cup of oil without separating. This makes it the perfect emulsifier for mayonnaise, hollandaise, and béarnaise. So without further ado, let's get started. We'll begin by roasting some garlic. Place a square sheet of aluminum foil on a flash pan. We'll then add 4 cloves of garlic, drizzled with some olive oil over top, followed by a pinch of salt and some black pepper. Mix this well, and then we'll wrap our garlic in the foil, making a nice little package. We'll place this in the oven for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once that's done, allow it to cool before unwrapping. Now your garlic should be translucent and you should be able to easily crush it by pressing down with your thumb. Next, add 1 whole egg and 2 egg yolks to a blender. Add a pinch of salt along with a nice squeeze of lemon juice. We'll follow this by 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And finally, our roasted garlic. We'll begin to blend until completely liquefied. We'll then pour our oil in a thin stream. For this recipe, we're going to be using 1 cup of olive oil and 1 cup of grapeseed oil. This is simply for balance and lightness, as only using olive oil can tend to be overpowering. Now bit by bit, you'll begin to visually see the emulsion thicken and you'll be able to hear the difference in your blender. After about 2 cups of oil being streamed in, we have an aioli. I'll taste for seasoning, and this is perfect. I'll add to a deli container, and this will thicken much more once placed in the fridge. Now look how creamy and lovely this aioli is. It's perfect for sandwiches, burgers, fish, and as a dipping sauce. And this aioli will keep in the fridge for roughly 2 weeks. So that's how simple it is to make either a mayonnaise or aioli. Just add egg yolks to a blender along with some salt and vinegar or lemon juice and blend while streaming in an oil of your choice. As you may have noticed, I added a whole egg as well, and this is because egg whites make the mayonnaise aerated and fluffy. It also makes the emulsion a lot lighter in flavor than if we were to just use the yolks. In the next lesson, we'll be showcasing another emulsion which is a French classic, the beurre blanc. I'll see you there.